You're looking at a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Oil filter is 11665. Oil capacity is 5.9. Type of oil is 520. Regular oil, it'll be the vehicle of the day. This is another beautiful day that the Lord has made. Get out, rejoice, and be glad in it. Because you know what? He didn't have to wake you up early this morning, but he did. And I am so grateful. Allowing us another chance to get it right. Another work day at the Walmart. This is another day at the Walmart. See them? That's Mr. Henry over there. I call him Chief. So we are working on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Hi, honey. How you doing? What you need, honey? I'm back, you all. We are working on a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Engine size is a 3.2, is a 6-cylinder. And the pre-service was what, Chief? Half a quart low, the pre-service was. That's not bad. It's time for oil change. Filter size is going to be 11665. It's an insert filter, and she getting fully synthetic cast oil. Got it there, kiddo? I got it. Y'all hear my friend though. I was telling that this lady got her a pretty nice husband. I asked, why can't I get a pretty nice husband? He told me you got to be a pretty nice woman. He got jokes. He got jokes at you. I need my knife. Where's my knife? But I took it out of my pocket, and I think when I drove, I didn't take it out when I came back. I drove it down the street. It might be. Y'all see what I have to deal with from working around these men. But you know what? He keep me on my toes. Friday night. You got another one to put in there? This is 11665 filter, the insert filter. Okay. You always put your rubber seal on it. It's gonna go right there. Take the old one out and put a new one in. And her oil filter is on the top. It's a pretty warm day today. God had blessed us with, so you all be careful. As you see, I still got my long johns on. Well, it was kind of cool when I left home this morning. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to keep it on all day, so I won't have to change my body temperature. So I won't get sick to them. Sinus and allergies and cold and pneumonia and all that is still going on. Right here. Any leak down there? Pretty clean. They get nice, and I don't need no mix. Got this nice, son. Yeah, that's right. Watch them out there, boy. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. And this is we have to put 3 fender covers on there in order to put your oil cap on top of the fender cover, just in case you hit it, it'll hit the ground. So, with that being said, you all have a blessed and wonderful day.